Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on, world? Cuts by Reggie back. This is gonna be a quick video, nothing too crazy. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Like if you like, dislike if you dislike, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, right? So y'all seen me I've posted up a couple of tutorials in the past 2 weeks. One of them been a ball fade, and I was showing you how to get out the ball line. But I just want to go into breaking that down a little bit more. And as you can see here, I'm just speeding through the haircut just so I can get to the ball line part. So what I do is I start with the guard all the way closed. I don't start all the way bald because some people don't want it super clean. But even if they do want it super clean, this is how I started. You start with the guard all the way closed. You open it up as you go up. You get what I'm saying? Before I even get to taking out that ball line, I'ma also go ahead and jump into cleaning everything up. And as you can see, it don't matter no texture. I get my system together. This is how I get out the ball line, starting with the guard all the way closed, working my way up. Once you get your system together, whether it's this system that I do or any other system, once you get you one consistent system, it's the same technique every time. Before I take out the ball line, I'm gonna go ahead and do some of my finishing touches just to kind of get a clean fade before you jump down into creating another line. Sometimes I try not, and this is why I do it this way, because I try not to put in a harsh guideline or anything like that. So again, I'm gonna leave my little line. So I'm gonna take something that's gonna bald out, whether it's a trimmer that I use bulk removal with, or in this video you see me using the Oster 76s with the 5/0 blade on there. That's gonna help me get a clean canvas, get something smooth. And I know what somebody was saying that they wish I would get it smoother. Sometimes a lot of people, well, not a lot of people, I've had clients where they don't necessarily want it like razor bald. They just want a clean bald taper. There is a difference. You get what I'm saying? Or not a taper, but a bald fade. So I will show you in another clip where even if let's say you do want somebody who want it clean bald, right? So what I would do before I even take out that line, I would make this strip right here, and then I will use my shavers to bald out that section, right? So you just see me showing you where the line at. I will take something that's not zero gap, pull the skin, make sure that you're flicking at that line. You're not going up to the line, you're going right at the line and just flicking out. And I would do that technique, so I balled out. I would do that technique on whether I'm doing a taper or a full ball fade. I would take it, get me something that's not zero gap just to knock that line out. It's just how I go. You see here, I'm using my Gold FXs to get it bald. And then I'm gonna take my Andis T outliners to also knock out that line, and it helps the fade already coming together. I don't zero gap a lot of my clippers because I don't like, sometimes a certain fade blade might nick the skin, and I like to use fade blades. So what I'll do, I'll use one of my trimmers to bald out and use another trimmer that's not zero gap to get out that line. And as you can see here, I am using the Andis Resurge. And that's what I say. Some people do want it like bald. So going up to that line, I'll use my shaver to get that skin, that feel, that bald feel of the bald fade. You get what I'm saying? Making sure that I'm stretching the skin, making sure that I'm going through every technique, every step to make sure that I get that bald fade as clean as possible. Then I'll go, even though I did some of my finishing touches, you will still, you still want to go over everything. Whether you see a line or not, step back, look in the mirror, pull your phone out, and just look through your phone like you about to take a picture. Everything's gonna pop up. You get what I'm saying? So then you want to use the corner of your blade just to kind of knock out dark spots that you might not see. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure that you're looking at the haircut in the full totality. You want to make sure that you're going side to side, looking at every angle that you can. If it take you a few extra minutes to get that haircut to look like the client want, take those few extra minutes. Take that time to get the haircut the way you want it. It's gonna save you time in the long run. It's gonna help you earn some money. It's just gonna help you become better in the fade technique. So like I said, whether you're doing the way that I do it or you seen somebody else do a certain way, once you get you a technique, a routine down, it'll become easier to you. It'll save you time in a haircut. Once you get better at it, you know, it's just repetition. Everything in barbering, everything in life really is just repetition. You get what I'm saying? So once you got your process down, boom, you can't fail. You get what I'm saying? Maybe it'll take a little longer than some, but you get the drift, right? So appreciate you for watching the quick video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and I'll be back with another video sometime soon.